Hey guys, so Alpine Bike Works just set me up with the Ripmo Large, all carbon, super sweet for the race today at Killington. So should be a super awesome time. Big, huge thank you to Alpine Bike Works. Best shop ever. So this goes to the racetrack or whatever?
Yeah, it goes back to the racetrack, but we'll go down Stinky instead.
Okay.
So we'll mix it up.
Not bad.
So down here you're gonna have a kind of like a hip jump around the corner. You can gap the bridge if you want, or you can just kind of up and over.
Right.
Just a normal tabletop. It's like a double kind of.
Right.
Then it goes across some bridges and then a drop.
Sick. Like a big drop or?
No.
Alright, sick. This is on the way down to the race course for our first test lap, so we're just shredding down one of the nice trails to get there.
start.
So this is the practice lap before the actual race. We're just trying to feel out the track here. My buddy Ray there is an absolute shredder. Ended up being 4th overall for the men. The race we entered was called the Bike Bum. It was a complete blast. We avoided the rain all day long. It was awesome to ride with Ray, unbelievably fast. Such a good day.
A few spots.
Yeah, I didn't do too good down that one. Yeah, dude, I suck in the corners.
Drop your shoulders.
Drop my shoulders. So I knew I was going to catch up to this kid, but there was a lip up here I really wanted to try. It was a pretty big size jump. Ended up casing a little bit, but I think you'll like it. I don't know. Fuck. Lower the shoulder, or how does that work out?
I'll have you follow me and I'll go slower. I'll just have you imitate my body.
Right.
You want to drop the shoulder a little bit more. You want to stay more on top of the bike, so that way you're putting weight on the tires.
Right.
You want to point your knees where you want to exit that corner.
Right.
And then drive your heels into that corner.
All right.
Because then if you hit braking bumps, you're driving through.
Right, right.
Alrighty, go for it.
So this is my first time ever doing a downhill race of any kind in my whole life, so I definitely had a little bit of anxiety going, but super excited. Here's my run.
Alright, go for it, buddy.
All right.
So I knew I had a couple mistakes, but that was so much fun. I definitely enjoyed it, and I will certainly be doing more races in the future.
How was it, buddy?
Good.
That's right, that's right.
I got a 103.9.
That's sick. I have no idea what I got.
I actually got a 118.50.
Quite good, that lap.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I could have gone faster if it was dry. It started raining as I was going up the lift. I'm like, good thing I decided to just go and not wait.
Right.
But yeah, it was good. Felt good. It's super compression-y, I'm sure.
All right.
So we decided to celebrate our successful race runs with a little bit of just East Coast tech for the end of the day. This trail is Goat Skull, and it was part of the EWS. I'm sad to say I didn't go off this drop. There's another drop up the trail that I really wanted to go off to. It was my first time ever down this trail. It was a little wet out, I was tired, so those are my excuses, but next time I promise I'll hit these drops.
Straight up and over.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. Well, that was a great day at Killington. It is definitely pouring now, but had a freaking blast. My buddy is in 11th place right now. I did not do that great in the race, currently in 56th place out of like 193. But I still had super fun, super happy that Alpine Bike Works hooked me up with that rip mo back there. Had a blast, bike felt absolutely amazing. Gotta come check this place out.